Today we're here at the Los Angeles County Fair. And I went to a place called Candy Palace. It's one of the little vendors kind of in the fun zone area. And I got their Hot Cheetos Float. Ooh. So I think it's a Sprite on the bottom. I don't know what they colored it with, if it was just the Cheeto dust. And then it looks like just whipped cream and then hot Cheeto dust plus Cheetos on the top. Hot Cheetos on the top. So I did see a YouTube video where one of the newscasters or something was talking with what's his name? Dominic Paleri? The Midway King or whatever he calls himself. He owns a lot of different Midway booths, but he said he should dip the hot Cheetos in the whipped cream. There's ice in here too. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, makes it a little hot. And then the carbonation also builds it up too. That's been interesting. It's kind of like a flaming hot Mountain Dew, right? I don't know if I should stir it a little. Get some of the whipped cream in there too. Yeah, if you want a interesting, somewhat spicy, hot drink, here you go. This is a pretty good one. If you like hot Cheetos, let me see. Yeah, it kind of goes to the back of your throat, a little bit on your tongue. It's not really that spicy. Doesn't go any higher than the hot Cheetos themselves. So, you know, if you can handle that, you can handle the drink. And this was this size, well, there's only one size. It's $10. But that's, you know, fair prices. We were looking for this item because we saw it in a couple of videos promoting the fair, but they never said where it was, and he owns so many of them, we thought it was at Biggie's or at one of his other ones, and we couldn't find it, but we finally found it, so here it is. I think I'll give it an A. It's mostly because of the innovation of it. So, it tastes pretty good. Price-wise, it's fair prices, you know what I mean. So, yeah, if you get one, dip the hot Cheetos in the whipped cream. It's pretty good. So anyways, the fair is going select days, mostly Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then one Monday, which is the Memorial Day. And all through May. So come to the fair and enjoy some of these unusual foods. If you're on a budget, they do have items for, most of the booths have an item for $7.70. That's kind of their fair special deal. So, you know, you can check them out, and you got to ask them because they don't tell on the sign which their $7.70 deal is. So, yeah, try this one out. It's cool. Or warm. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another sip, and I'll see you in the next one.